Hey guys, I want to make a quick video here about getting replacement batteries for a Toro Dingo. So I'm filming this in January of 2024, and this is the battery from my Dingo. I have a TX 425, but this is the OEM battery from Toro, which is part number 1040496. It's a 540 cold cranking amp battery, and I have no idea what this 45 means. So I took the battery out and went down to my local Napa, and I was hoping I could just go down there and match it up. And I came home with this one, which actually had ears on the side, and I very carefully tried to shave the ears off to get it to fit in the battery tray, and it didn't. Which then led me to go to the Interstate Battery store, and I brought the battery, and they didn't recognize it either. And what I'm really trying to get at is it's just tough to find an aftermarket battery if you have a Toro Dingo. The reason I wanted the aftermarket battery, and you probably do too, is because to order one, usually takes 3 or 4 days from the dealer. And for me, my dealer is probably about 45 minutes away. There's more Dingo dealers now than when I first bought one. Initially, my Dingo dealer was about 3 hours away. After doing a lot of internet searching and typing the battery part numbers into Google, eventually I did get a hit on, and I want to give credit where credit's due. There's a store called Batteries Plus, and they have this battery right here, which is called an SLI 55. But what I really want you to notice is it says right here, it's a 540 cold cranking amp BCI Group 55 car and truck battery. So this is really what you need right here, that it's just a BCI Group 55 battery. So I just took those numbers, and then I went to the Napa website, which is about 10 minutes away, and they have a BCI number 55 540 cold cranking amp battery, and the part number for that one is basically what you're looking at here. So the Napa number is 7556, BCI number 55, and 540 cold cranking amps. This is my TX 425 Dingo that I purchased in 2004 or 2005, and I just wanted to show you that the battery tray, which is in the back, right there. So if you have a battery tray that looks like that, or TX 425, I can't say for sure that's the battery you need, but I can say it sure looks that way. This morning I spent a little bit of time on the internet, and it looks like if you have a TX 420, a TX 425, a TX 427, or a TX 525 Dingo, the battery that, actually the battery numbers, the part numbers I found on the internet are 1040496, 1328621, and there used to be a part number called 1049979 from Toro that was discontinued. And the battery I have is actually the 1040496, which I purchased in 2017, which I don't think even was listed as, I think this is the part number for a TX 425. But these are the three part numbers that basically specify the exact same battery. And I always have to say, to the best of my knowledge, always check, double check when you get things. Make sure your terminals are on the right side, the cold cranking amps is the same. And these actually have, automobile posts on top. To take it even farther, I did go on the spec sheet for the TX 425, and it says right here, it's a 12-volt BCI Group 55 battery. It says with 585 cold cranking amps. The Toro OEM battery had 540 cold cranking amps. So if you're going nuts trying to find a battery for any of these machines, I can't say this is the exact battery, but I'm pretty sure you're looking for a BLI Group 55 battery, which you'll find at all auto parts stores. They might have to, get it the next day. And in early 2024, you're looking at 175 to 185, and then they'll have a core charge. I chose not to return my old battery until I was darn sure I had the right battery, because boy, once you lose this battery, you're going to have nothing to work off of. The width of this battery is approximately 8.25 there, and the width of this battery is approximately 8.25, and then the depth of this battery is we're at like I'm going to call that 5.5 deep. And if we go to this OEM battery, we are at about 5.5 deep as well. So I know I've said it like 15 different ways, but BLI 55, if you have a Toro Dingo with TX420, TX425, TX427, TX525, look at the BLI 55 battery. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.